everyone, my name is Ping, brand ambassador for the Naked Grouse, Thailand. Today we're going to be making a cocktail using the Naked Grouse blended malt Scotch whiskey. Naked Grouse has a unique blend of some of the world's finest single malt, such as the Macallan, Highland Park, and the Glenrosses. It's also been extra matured in a first fill sherry cask to give it a nice floral and fruity complex of flavors. Alright, and today the cocktail that we're making is going to be Bobby Burns, which is a classic cocktail based on the famous Scottish poet Robert Burns. So what you're going to need, of course, Naked Grouse, sweet vermouth, and Benedictine. Right. I already have my glass and mixing glass too. What you're going to need, about 40 ml of the Naked Grouse. $40 ml of sweet vermouth. You're only gonna need just a tiny bit of Benedictine, so I'm gonna put in just a bar spoon of it. With that honey herbal sweetness. Okay, and then we're gonna stir it. Show the cocktail. Perfect. Garnish with an orange peel. Drop it right in, and here we are, Bobby Burns. Cheers.